So for Learning Unit 4, we're going to be winding down the class. We're going to be spending time with 3 chapters. We're going to be talking about cancer and or oncology, and we're also going to be talking about nutritional intervention, nutrition support. And basically what we're going to start talking about with cancer, we're going to address some foods that have some proposed cancer fighting benefits, and we're going to talk about that, kind of see how you think about that, your opinions on that, if you think research is onto something, if you don't. And then we're also going to look at the nutrition state during cancer treatments. So when a person actually has cancer, what are the concerns with their nutrition state? What are some things that should be done? Why should these things be done? And then for the last 2 chapters, we're going to look at nutrition support. And what that's going to cover is what happens when you actually can't take in your own food. What happens when you're unable to actually eat? What are the medical interventions that can take place? And how is this done? Why is it done? And so we'll cover that. So we're going to be looking at oncology, and we're also going to be looking at nutrition support in this very last unit. Just like previous units, you're going to have 3 assignments, and what makes this one special, though, is actually the last assignment in the unit is going to be a research paper. And there are going to be thorough instructions for that found in Blackboard, but one thing that I want to ask is just that you put some thought into this paper. Obviously that you work hard on it, and we want to have college level writing in the paper, and we want it to be organized well thought out, well planned, well argued, well defended. And so you'll see about that more when you read the topic and when you dive into it. And also you need to list your sources, give your citations. And so that will be a little bit different, that you'll have that for this unit. So we're going to have the 2 assignments, and you're also going to have the research paper. Discussion assignment at the end, just like all the other units, and also the unit test at the end, just like all of the units. Now be mindful that once you finish Learning Unit 4, you're not quite done with the course yet. You do have a cumulative final exam, and that cumulative final exam will be worth 100 points, like all of your other tests, and it's going to cover material for the entire semester. So check your due dates link for that, and that will give you the dates, the date range for when that final exam will be open. All right, so let's get started with Learning Unit 4.